Gentleman from Colorado, Mr. Crank, is now recognized for 5 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Appreciate that. I want to start by asking each of our witnesses to quickly answer the following question. In your opinion, is the space-based threat from Russia and China greater, weaker, or the same compared to 4 years ago? Mr. Hill.
Greater.
General Cotton?
Greater.
General Whiting?
Sir, it's greater.
General?
Sir, it's greater.
Great. General Guillot and General Whiting, can you tell me how Northern Command, Northcom, and Space Command work together to defend the homeland?
Congressman, in a wide variety of ways every day. Probably the most relevant for this subcommittee would be the fact that U.S. Space Command operates and manages the systems that give us the earliest and first detection of intercontinental ballistic threats to the United States that we use to assess and determine if it's a threat to the United States, and two, to predict where it will go, and three, they have systems that help us guide our ground-based interceptors to defeat these threats if it comes from North Korea or potentially Iran.
Okay, and quickly, General Whiting.
That was a great answer from General Guillot, Congressman. I just would add that in addition, our satellite communications and the GPS signal we provide to provide positioning, navigation, and timing are also foundational to many of the efforts that we know Northern Command's executing every day to defend the homeland.
And do you both feel like you have clear and efficient lines of communication between the two commands to fulfill the mission and defend the homeland?
I absolutely think so, sir.
And I agree, Congressman.
And do you believe that this collaboration helps you ensure that Golden Dome will be successfully deployed?
We are partnering with Northern Command, Congressman, to write the requirements document, and we have a very close partnership on that.
Thank you. Honestly, I'm perplexed by discussions of combatant command realignment of any kind. This week, as HASC, we've had the combatant commanders for Europe, the Indo-Pacific, North America, our strategic forces, and our space forces all testify that the space-based threat from Russia and China are more dangerous after 4 years of President Biden's weak rule. And we know that the China 2027 date is rapidly approaching. We've also heard how important it is that Northcom and Space Command have maximum collaboration and communication with each other to make Golden Dome successful. President Trump very boldly proposed Golden Dome. And we must do, as a Congress and as a nation, we must do everything we can to make it successful. This maximum collaboration is only possible, and it is currently occurring at Peterson Space Force Base, where Northern Command and Space Command literally share a parking lot together. We need to give the President the most capable and lethal military to meet the Chinese threat. Space Command has achieved full operational capability at Peterson. We cannot afford to weaken the President's hand and to risk delaying Golden Dome while our adversaries are moving at full speed. This is a matter of great national security and importance. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I yield back.